for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, security system, MP3 player, child safety locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.